I'm here with my cousins, 3 generations. We've got Billy, Robin, and Michaela. They're going to be showing me how to make chicken and dumplings.
We're slicing 2 stalks of celery and 1 large onion.
First, we put a whole cut up chicken in the pot, and I've already added 5 cups of water. Next, we're going to add 2 stalks of cut up celery and a little bit more than half of an onion. Now that we've added all of our ingredients, we're going to put this on the stove. We're going to let it cook until the chicken is done, and then afterwards we're going to let the chicken cool.
So the chicken has cooled. Now we're going to debone the chicken. So we're going to put the skin and bones in one bowl and the meat in the other bowl.
We're now going to mix the dumplings. Our ingredients consist of flour, baking powder, shortening, 1 full egg, 2 egg yolks. As they cook, they'll come to the top of the surface, and you'll leave them in for a little while, and then put the lid on again. And now I'm going to go and get the next group of dumplings that are going to go in the pot.
I'm adding our second batch of dumplings. Make sure you stick them where there is no dumpling, like a hole in the broth. Oop.
Now we're going to let these dumplings cook for a while until they're pretty much finished.
Dumplings are done. And then we're gonna add chicken in. And you stir as you add.
Ooh, the dumplings are finished.
We've finished our chicken and dumplings, and now we're ready to enjoy.
Delicious.
They turned out good.
You won't have to kill the cook.
You need to kiss the cook.
This is excellent. Yummy.
Action.
We're slicing 2 stalks of onions. Oops, no we're not.
We are now going to mix and
Stick them in the holes.
you
You want to say it's just like?
the second rolling of, the